In this video, I'll show you how to change Taobao to English on the mobile app. Are you struggling to navigate Taobao because everything is in Chinese? You're not alone. For many international users, the language barrier has been a major hurdle to accessing the incredible deals and unique products on this platform. The good news is that you no longer need external translators or guesswork. There's now an official way to switch the Taobao app to English or other languages. I'll clarify the easy process for you, ensuring you get it right the first time. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Stay with me until the end to discover how to change currency too on Taobao. Now let's get started on how to change Taobao to English. To start, head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Taobao and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. This is crucial as older versions might not have the English language option. If Taobao isn't available in your country's App Store, you might need to temporarily change your App Store region, for example, to China, to download it. Once your Taobao app is updated and open, you'll want to navigate to the My Taobao section at the bottom right corner of your screen here. Tap on it. Next, we need to access the settings. Look for the gear or cog icon at the top right corner of the My Taobao page. Tap on that to enter the settings menu. Within the settings, find an option that translates to country, language or currency. In Chinese characters, this often looks like this, which is pronounced Guoji DQ. It's typically the fifth option on the first set of the list. Tap on this option. Next, you need to change the Taobao country or region. For this, select the first option here, which will open the list of countries where Taobao support their local languages. Now, this is the most critical step for enabling Taobao English translation. You need to change your selected region to Singapore from the list. To choose Singapore, select the fifth option here, pronounced XNJP, and confirm your selection. The app will likely prompt you to restart or refresh. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to finalize your Taobao language conversion. After selecting Singapore and confirming, go back to the settings menu. Sometimes you might need to fully close and reopen the Taobao app for the changes to take effect. Once you're back in settings, you'll notice the app is still in Chinese Mandarin. This is because this language is also used in Singapore. The next thing you need to do is to change it to Singapore English. From the country, language, and currency page, select the second option, which is language. You'll now see English. Tap on it and confirm at the bottom. You might also find options to change the currency. It's often recommended to keep the currency as RMB, Chinese yuan, for accuracy, but you can select your preferred currency if available. Your Taobao app should now be predominantly in English. While most product descriptions, navigation, and system messages will be translated, be aware that some user reviews or very specific vendor details might still appear in Chinese. This is normal and doesn't affect your ability to browse or purchase. You can now easily navigate the Taobao app for foreigners, search for products, and understand product details without the need for external Taobao translation tools. Check the description below for more Taobao tips and explore other helpful video tutorials on our channel. To explore more online shopping video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.